Namaskar, you are watching PwC News. Today we are present in Mother Veronica Excellence and Innovation Center at Patna Women's College, where the Department of Microbiology and the Department of Biotechnology, in collaboration with the School of Natural and Applied Science, Mount Carmel College, are hosting international conference on the topic Translating Science into Solution and Multidisciplinary Approaches to the Real World Problems.
An international online conference was conducted by the Department of Microbiology and the Department of Biotechnology, Patna Women's College, Autonomous, Patna University, Patna, Bihar, in collaboration with the School of Natural and Applied Sciences, Mount Carmel College, Autonomous, Bangalore, Karnataka, successfully inaugurating Day 1 of ICT SS MARP 2026 on the theme Translating Science into Solutions, Multidisciplinary Approaches to Real-World Problems. The two-day international conference is being conducted in online mode. The inaugural session also featured an address by the convener, Dr. Aarti Kumari, Head, Department of Biotechnology, Patna Women's College, Autonomous, Patna University, Patna, who elaborated on the conference theme and its relevance to contemporary scientific challenges.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Ma'am, what is the main aim of this conference?
Good afternoon. Today we are organizing international conference which is theme on translating science into solution, multidisciplinary approaches to the real world problem. This conference is organized in the online mode and organizers are Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology from Patna Women's College in collaboration with the Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. Today we had the inaugural session in the morning where the guest of honor was Professor Sumitra Das from ISC Bangalore, and the keynote sessions were also held where the keynote speaker from Stanford University, Dr. Akila, joined, where she presented her research work, which is going to publish in the Nature Science Journal, which is a reputed journal internationally. Also, the speakers from Delhi University as well as the National Science Biological Institute were joined as a keynote speakers. They shared their research work with the students, with the research scholars. It will be very beneficial for them for go beyond their reading and what they are learning in the colleges. They can seek further for the research work in future, and they are also open for the collaborations in future researches, so that can be beneficial for the students and future researchers who are participating in this conference. Now the technical sessions are going on, in which the different colleges of Bihar as well as the all over the India, they have participated, and conducting it in the online mode, it gives the opportunity to all to join together at one platform where they can easily present their research work and can be beneficial with this kind of event. Tomorrow we will have the second day of this international conference, where again we will have the plenary session and the technical session. In the plenary session, we will be having the speakers from the Harvard University, and also from the Belgium. There are two keynote speakers. They are the entrepreneur as well as they are also working in the university and have the very wide research experience. And in the valedictory session, again, the assistant professor from the ISC Bangalore will be joining as a guest of honor for this international conference.
The inaugural ceremony was efficiently compared by Dr. Neeti Yashwardhini, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Patna Women's College. The program concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Dr. Preeti Swarupa, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology, Patna Women's College.
Ma'am, how can this conference help future generation addressing the global problems?
Actually, a 2 days online international conference has been organized by the Department of Microbiology and Department of Biotechnology, Patna Women's College, in collaboration with the School of Natural Sciences, Mount Carmel College, Autonomous, Bangalore. So the main theme of this conference is translating science into solution approaches to real world problems. Actually, this the main aim of this conference is to take help from all the types, all the themes of science, that is from artificial intelligence or life sciences or physical and chemical sciences, and together this the lab work can go into the real life problems. So this theme, the conference's main aim is to solve the real world problems, which will lead to generation of many technologies for the present as well as future generation. The health system, healthcare system can also improve with these type of solutions, and in overall our life will be easy with these solutions. So the science, how the science can help in integrating all these approaches will be handled in this conference through the plenary sessions by many eminent scientists, and in the 2 days, that is on 16th and 17th, and the first day, then they started with the inaugural session, and there are 6 technical sessions which will be break out into different rooms, and which have different themes like plant development, like animal development, then AI, role of AI, next generation strategies for vaccine development, computational biology, and others. Hence, these all themes will incorporate the main aim of the conference, that is how science can translate into solving our problems.
Following the plenary session, different technical sessions were conducted in online mode across 4 parallel virtual rooms. The sessions addressed areas such as artificial intelligence and big data applications, vaccines and immunotherapies, microbiology and biotechnology, antimicrobial resistance, plant stress biology, biodiversity conservation, bioinformatics, genomics, emerging biotechnologies, and synthetic biology.
How was your experience attending this conference and what did you learn?
Okay, so good afternoon. I'm Saima Khatri from Department of Microbiology. This session has enhanced my understanding of how interdisciplinary integration of AI with microbiology has enabled microbial identification and translational research, and thereby it has bridged the gap between the scientific discovery that have been taking places. That have been taking place and the real world of solutions that have been there. And I learned that AI cannot replace the scientist overall the globe. The scientists, they could not be replaced by AI, because with the use of AI we can further strengthen improve the accuracy and speed with which the research is going to be taken. Okay? And I learned that with AI, I also learned how incredible AI is when we use it with the research field. Then the outcome that it gets, like in field of diagnostic, industry, and medicine, that's so remarkable.
Day 1 of ICT SSMARP 2026 successfully brought together academicians, researchers, and students from across the country, fostering meaningful academic exchange and strengthening interdisciplinary research dialogue.
For more such college updates, stay connected to PwC News. Until then, I Aditi Raj, along with the camera person Sagrika, signing off.